Well, the Christmas season is over for humans, but not for fishes. In Muhlenberg County, the Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife carried out its Christmas for Fishes program.
Last month, real Christmas trees were collected at the transfer station in Owensboro, and nearly 400 trees were then dumped into Lake Malone to create some fish habitats.
Eyewitness News' Sydney Davis gives us a look at the process.
And so you get something out of what would just simply be trash.
It's an unexpected pair, Lake Malone and Christmas trees. The Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife says the evergreens are perfect for fish to feed, reproduce, and live in. 350 Christmas trees were loaded onto a boat on Tuesday, for sending them crashing into the lake's waters.
Putting these into the lake, they'll slowly decay still, but while they're decaying, they grow other stuff on them that help attract sport fish, such as largemouth bass, bluegill, and crappie to them as well for anglers to target.
The Muhlenberg County Lake undergoes fish sampling every year. It hasn't gotten as much attention when it comes to habitat investments. Stacks of around 70 trees transported to areas based on a creel study that draws from fishing lovers' feedback.
A lot of the crappie guys wanted structure on the cliff walls for those crappie. So we're adding these Christmas trees. We're going to come back with gas pipe trees that have bigger branches.
With the push of a button, the stack is dropped down in one swoop and then marked with a floating GPS tracker.
We try to make a pile because we know that fish like height. Different species of fish hang out different levels of the water column. So we kind of focus this habitat a little bit more towards the crappie today. So they typically like, about 15 to 20 feet of depth, depending on the year, sometimes even a little more shallow.
Phillips says areas with evergreen donations see 500% more fish than areas without the tree drop-offs. GPS coordinates are shared on the Fish and Wildlife website for fishing lovers looking to increase their luck. In Muhlenberg County, Sydney Davis, Eyewitness News.